If you're in a situation where Snapchat lenses are currently not working for you, let me show you the steps that you can follow in order to solve this issue. The first thing that you need to make sure is that if you're connected to a stable connection or not, so you can also try switching between Wi-Fi as well as your cellular data. If this is not the issue with you, what you can do is try to restart the application. So make sure you remove the app of Snapchat from the recent app list and try to open it up again. What you can also try out is try to ensure that you have the latest version of the application. So head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Snapchat, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you update the application. Now, apart from this, what you'll also need to ensure is that the location settings is enabled for your Snapchat. So just tap and hold the app of Snapchat, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to permissions and make sure that location is set to allow. Once you complete this step again, what you can also do from within the setting is scroll down, head over to storage, and right here you'll have the option called clear cache. You can just tap on this option. Once you complete all of these steps, you should be able to fix the Snapchat lenses not working error. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.